Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness classes. This is the second class. Today I am going to give for the industrial safety and awareness. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan. Last so many days I used to come here, and my purpose is to give you a safety oriented classes. Already I have given you 10 videos on general safety awareness. Then I have given you 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Then I have given 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we are coming to the industrial safety and this awareness. This is the second class. Last class I have explained you why an industrial safety is very important and what are the scope also I have just mentioned, and so many people are required for industrial safety job. So today what we are going to discuss, what is our discussion means, what is an industrial safety and HSE, health safety and environment. Just a small brief idea I want to give you to all of you. So before going to the subject, I just want request with you that if you like this class, please share, like it and share it, and also subscribe it. This is my request. So let us go to the subject first. What is industrial safety and HSE? In my general safety class, I have already explained what is a safety. What is a safety? Safety means freedom from any dangerous condition. So industrial safety also basically same thing, freedom from any dangerous condition. But there are some differences there. What is different means, the industrial safety consists of a lot of hazards, lot of accidents, etc. can come there. So what we have to do means we have to have a proper identification of the hazards and take necessary step to avoid accidents and injuries. It is a top management responsibility also. What are the conditions we have to provide means a safe working conditions for people, those who are working there, and safe working practice for everybody, those who are working, and safe also tools, whatever the tools they are using, safe tools, proper knowledge, proper PPEs, all these things we have to provide it. So the basic difference is that then general safety means what we are just saying, it is just freedom from any dangerous condition. Here it is a proactive approach, safety. What is a proactive approach? This also I have explained. Before occurring any problems, we have to take the action. So that action taking is the safety environment. It is not just starting from the workers, it is starting from the top management itself. Let me just give you an experience, just share my experience why this top management is required or involved in the industrial safety. Otherwise, what will happen? With my own experience, I can just tell you. I was working as a construction manager in one of the steel plants as an electrical construction manager. Their construction job is going on. More than 20,000 people are working. There is a main client, then there is a main consultant and main contractor, subcontractor, again subcontractor. So many people are working there. More than 20,000 people are working with the different agencies, different construction group. So I was one of the group. That is, I managing about nearly 100 to 150 workers and staffs for a construction site. There, every day when I used to go, some type of accident always happened to occur there. Even within 1 year, more than about 80 fatal accidents have happened there in different agencies. But still, the management of the claims or in the appropriate organization was not taking any important decision or important action. Then it was come to the newspaper and other thing, and the government is involved there. And what happened? The government has instructed strictly such type of condition should not be happen there. So the client itself then called every contractor, make a meeting and appoint a safety officer immediately to every officer, and they have to reduce the accidents and injuries. Then what happened means every contractor attended this meeting. So I was also attended. I could also attend the meeting. And in my organization, what I informed to my head office, and they asked me to look after the safety also. I used to my people. I give the safety lectures and other thing. Yeah, unfortunately, in my sections or my students were very less there. So after this implementation, this program was implemented and giving a strict instruction to each and every contractor, the number of accidents has reduced considerably. So this is what I just want to inform you, that unless and until the top management level, if the safety involvement is not there, that cannot be achieved there. So industrial safety is a prime responsibility remain with the top management to reduce, or to reduce, mean to minimize this accidents and industry. So they have to take a step like a hazards identification, unnecessary steps for this risk analysis, job analysis, providing PPEs. All these steps has to be taken appropriate time. Then we can reduce number of accidents and we can eliminate also a number of accidents. So for that, a separate person, safety person must be required there. So that's why industrial safety is very important in every industry. This is not only a safety, that HSC, what do you mean by HSC? Health, safety and environment. So I can just tell you why this is so important also. I will just tell you. Suppose one welder, I'm just taking an example. One welder, he is welding continuously, he is using proper PPEs and doing his job very promptly, and there was no any complaint. But after 5 or 6 years, he used to complain that I got an asthmatic problem, I got a breathing problem, or I got some chest disease. Why this is happening? Because even though PPEs and other thing is there, if some type of a smoke or something is going to enter in our body, that health can get affected. So the safety is when we are talking about the immediate effect, but because of the occupation, some disease happen. That is occupational disease. This disease is happening there. So that's why occupational health is also important. So how we can avoid all this or improve this health condition? Before just taking the people, we have to take their health condition, and periodically health has to be checked, and also as far as avoidable, as far as possible, this environment condition also we have to be protected. So such condition, health is also one of the important factor for industrial people, industrial working people. So not only industrial working people, everywhere. So what is a health? When we are talking about the safety, the safety what we used to say, freedom from any dangerous condition. Health means freedom from any disease, you may be thinking, or it is absence of any disease, but that is not the correct step. It is socially, mentally, and also physically well-being without any disease. That is the meaning of a health condition. Similar way, I can also ensure here the safety person also has to ensure the environment conditions of the factory. Environment condition, because if the environment is very bad, many industries used to close it. When we are discharging so much of polluted air, the people surrounding the area cannot live for a longer time, because the smoke, dust and other thing entering into the atmosphere, and finally that is going to the affect our health conditions. So that emissions has to be reduced. Similarly, water pollution, the discharge from the water, that also has to be reduced. Similarly, soil condition also has to be maintained properly. So environment is also another factor. So as a safety officer, the safety person is not only just looking after the safety of the people only, but he has to be take care of the health and the environment also. That's why many industry nowadays HSC is a very important department, and people separate HSC officer HSE manager also providing. So I have just given you a brief idea about the safety and HSE. Now I am not going to repeat it again. This is my second class. As I understood that you got some idea, some knowledge about the safety and HSE, and it is very important. There are a lot of job opportunities are there. Not only job opportunities, if we know all this thing, we can keep our health in a better condition, and we can could have a safety habit, and our environment also we can protect it. So just for time being, I'm going to just stop it. Wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you very much for hearing my class. Okay, thanks to everybody.